We take a quick stock of how global indices have performed on Thursday, as well as how Asian indices have opened this Friday morning. It's been a roller coaster week for global indices overall. US indices gained in trade on Thursday, surprising. Taking a quick stock of how US indices have performed over the course of the last 1 week, starting last Friday, which is 26th of November. US indices closed sharply lower on Friday. They opened Monday higher, and Tuesday and Wednesday saw good steep falls again. And Thursday, markets have gained again. The Dow was up around 1.8%, the S&P 500 up almost 1.5%, and the Nasdaq was up over 4/5% in trade on Thursday. It's been a losing week though for US indices overall, almost down over 0.5%, all three indices in trade for the week till Friday morning. Looking at how Europe closed lower on Thursday. So surprisingly, US opened positive, but Europe closed in the minus. European equities have fluctuated again between gains and losses. It's been the same story in Europe as well. As traders are searching for clues on the severity of the new variant, I think that is the general trend globally. It's all Omicron driven. The DAX was down almost 1.2%. The FTSE was down 1/3%. The CAC was down almost 1%, and the Stock 600 was down 1% as well. When you look at how Asia closed yesterday, they closed absolutely mixed, and they have opened pretty much in the negative in early trade today. The Nikkei is down 1/5%, the Hang Seng down over 1.2% or so. The ASX down around 1/5% as well. The Kospi is down 1/10%, and the Shanghai is the only index, major Asian index, which is up 1/10% in trade as we speak. The SGX Nifty futures also down around 1/3%. That's again a clue as to how Indian markets will open. And when we look at how oil has performed, oil was in focus given the OPEC Plus meeting on the 2nd of December, which was yesterday. OPEC Plus announced that it will stick to the hike in production by 400,000 barrels a day for the month of January onwards, and there are no adverse actions with regard to Omicron. However, they have also said that they will make immediate adjustments to production if market conditions shift. So oil has gained and is just below that $67 a barrel mark in early trade today. Gold though has dipped. Mind you, that is largely driven by an expected increase in interest rates in the horizon, of course, and gold has dipped to around $1770 an ounce in early trade today. The dollar index has gained marginally and is well above the 96 mark now. It's at 96.2 as we speak in early trade today, and the US 10-year treasury yields are pretty much steady at that 1.43% mark. Bitcoin has fallen marginally. It's at $57,000, around just below the $57,000 mark in early trade today. That's a roundup of how global markets are looking in an exciting week of trade that it has been, very volatile. And let's see how Friday closes for markets.